We have some breaking inputs coming in. Amit Malviya of the Bharatiya Janata Party, in fact, has alleged booth capturing now. Booth capturing in Diamond Harbour. That's a sensational allegation coming in. That's from where, in fact, Abhishek Banerjee is contesting. Amit Malviya says attempt to capture booth 271 in Diamond Harbour foiled by vigilant people. Mamata Banerjee's nephew is scared of losing. That's the allegation Amit Malviya is levelling. Raking up the issue of booth capturing. Sensational allegations being levelled by Amit Malviya that there was an attempt made to capture the booth in Diamond Harbour, which is the constituency of Mamata Banerjee's nephew, Abhishek Banerjee. Amit Malviya says Abhishek Banerjee is scared of losing. Adrija continues to be with us in the broadcast. Adrija, that's a big charge.
Well, absolutely, huge allegations being brought in by the BJP here, especially considering the Diamond Harbour constituency where Abhishek Banerjee is a TNC candidate this time for the Lok Sabha elections. And now Amit Malviya of the BJP is coming out and claiming that there was an attempt to capture a particular booth. In fact, BJP is going out and also claiming that in Diamond Harbour constituency, particularly in several booths, the BJP workers are being stopped. In fact, they are also claiming that in certain places, their polling agents are not being allowed to enter. Several cameras, the BJP is also claiming. Shubhendu Adhikari have, taken out to his social media mentioning that certain cameras in Diamond Harbour constituency, which was installed to ensure that, proper voting process continues, is malfunctioning. So, of course, various allegations are being brought in by the BJP. But, of course, when we were trying to talk to Abhishek Banerjee, he have countered all of this allegation and saying that, this is nothing but just the fear psychosis.
Keep tracking the development.